Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some blackberry and rhubarb pie at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, straight from New Zealand, pitmaster Wolfman. He's got some wild blackberries, sugar, flour. Here he's got eggs, little milk, the egg wash, got some butter, and he's got some brandy, and he's got some pie dough. All right, take a look at this rhubarb, wild rhubarb. Are you kidding me? Look at the size of that, coming from down there in New Zealand. Oh, man. This recipe is real easy to do. All right, the first thing you're going to do is take that rhubarb stalks, right? Cut it up pretty thin. Now, if you've never had rhubarb, you got to check it out. It's got that real tart taste, man. Just awesome taste. It goes real well with those blackberries, man. All right, Wolfman's cut them up pretty thin, and he's combining them with the blackberries. These are wild picked blackberries. Oh, man, are you kidding? All right, he's going to mix them up. Now, you can go to our website, BarbecuePitBoys.com, and get the exact ingredients and how all this is put together by the Wolfman. Just gently mixing it, trying to keep those blackberries intact. All right, now, here he's adding some sugar. You got to make it sweet with the tart, right? Makes a great pie. Again, he's taking his old hickory, giving it a good mix. Now, if you insist on using a spoon, go right ahead. The old hickory will do just fine. Now, to that, he's adding some flour. All right? So we'll add some thickness and body to this pie. All right, it's got it mixed. Now, here's that magic, right? A little bit of that brandy. Don't do too much. You got to save some for that pitmaster, right? You know about that. Got one good shot in there, and I'm sure you can go another shot too. All right. Again, mixes it all together. That's perfect. Now, here he's got a steel pan, right? And he's got some butter. Give it a good rub so it don't stick. And now he's going to take that pie dough. And you can make your own, but a lot of times it's easier going out and get it already done for you. And then he's taking that egg wash with the combined egg and milk, mixes it up, loads up that pie. Oh, baby. You're going to love this one, Martha. All right, spreads it out. Now, who says that pit boys don't do veggies? Put a little brandy in it, and I'd say it's just fine. All right, now, tops it off with some more rhubarb. And another shot of that blackberry brandy. Or whatever brandy you like. Put some pie dough on the top. You've seen this done before. Put some slits in it, and this is what you got. Oh, man. You've got that ice cream or wherever you want to go with it. Oh. And he does apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this pitmaster privilege. And be sure to sub us or follow us if you can. We appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BarbecuePitBoys.com.